In English, we use the word and in a few different ways. Fish and chips. I am happy and I am well. John and Mary are going to the shop. And you probably think that these three uses of the word and are all the same and they just mean like and. However, they are actually different. In the sentence, I am happy and I am well, the word and is a conjunction which joins two phrases together. And in Te Reo Māori, we use the word a for this. Kei te haere koa aho, a. Kei te ora aho, I am happy and I am well. True story. But when we are listing things like fish and chips, the word isn't a conjunction. No, it's a particle that joins two nouns. And in Te Reo we use the word me for this. Ika me ngā riwai parai, fish and chips. Tō te me te winika, salt and vinegar. Tihi me ngā pihiketa, cheese and crackers. And the third kind of and is when we're talking about people. We don't use a or me, we use rāua ko when we're talking about two people. For example, rangi, rāua ko Mary. Kei te haere a rangi, rāua ko Mary, ki te toa, rangi and Mary are going to the shop. Kaore a honi, rāua ko Hemi i te waiata. Honi and Hemi are not singing. No, they're not. Ko Mary rāua ko aroha aku tamariki, Mary and aroha are my children. Not really, I made that up. When we have more than two people, we use rātou ko and we use ko for each subsequent person. Kia te tākoro, arangi, rātou ko Mary, ko Hemi, ko Honi. Rangi, Mary, Hemi and Honi are plain. Yeah. He tamariki a rangi, rātou ko tama, ko tāne, ko tui, ko aroha, ko Mary, ko manu. Rangi, tama, tāne, tui, aroha, Mary and manu are children. Rāua ko and rātou ko can also be used when talking about possession. Te whare o rangi, rāua ko Mary, the house of Rangi and Mary, that is Rangi and Mary's house. Te whare o rangi rātou ko Mary ko Hemi, the house of Rangi, Mary and Hemi. Yeah. Lastly, kei te waiata a Peter, rātou ko Paul ko Mary. Peter, Paul and Mary are singing. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morning Town, many miles away.